What if you brought Takis, Great American Treat, and Tequila together as one? Is it possible? But before we get started, always drink responsibly, never drink and drive. So we can do a Tequila, jalapeno tequila infusion, okay? This should be really good. Smell really delicious, and if you look at the color on Takis, very natural looking orange color, okay? That neon orange that we usually see in nature. Let's get our jalapeno tequila in there. These dudes sent me this bottle, so I figure I'll just dump some in. Ooh, really jalapeno-y. Now you could let this sit, or if you press for time, like all you millennials are, okay? The generation millennial and generation X and baby boomers, okay. You could get, and notice that natural orange color just floats right off into that tequila, okay? These are little shot glasses. We need to rim these with Takis, okay? So here's how we do this. We get a couple Takis in our plate. Sheena, this one's for you. She used to work here. She introduced us to Takis. We get a bit of corn syrup. And we sprinkle on some Takis down here. So what happens now is I go in, I roll my glass in this corn syrup. You don't want it too thick where it runs everywhere. And then you just dip it in these Takis. And you get a nice Taki rim. Look at that. So we get our ice cube in there. Look at the color on that bad boy, man. Woo! All right, we're gonna need a little bit of lime juice, so we cut a lime in half. One more. So now we give this a nice little shake. Make sure this one no spill, okay? Because I'm pretty sure this kind of Takis, they probably do stay, okay? So don't do this with a white shirt. Cut off a little piece, cut off another little piece, and we can cut this in half, and further cut this in half so we can get these nice little cute little garnishes that we split down the middle. And we could do this. Beware the Ides of March, Julius Caesar. Just throw in a little Shakespeare, okay? Like to mix it up. And there you have it, Tequila shots. You get it now? Tequila shots, all right? So enjoy these nice and fun for your little parties. If you love Takis and you love tequila, we're bringing the two together, okay? I'm gonna put these two back in the bag. Some unlucky person, you just made out with me. I'm kidding. All right, later.